One morning, they woke up and something felt completely off. The air looked dusty, heavy, almost like a fog, and they had no idea where it was coming from. That's when they realized maybe their home systems needed professional attention. They called Ducts All Done, trusted professionals in air duct cleaning, dryer vent service, chimney repair, insulation upgrades, AC replacement, and ductwork solutions. Clear assessments, skilled technicians, and solutions designed around your home. Next morning, same routine. Smoother comfort, balanced airflow, and a better start to the day. Don't wait. Contact Ducts All Done today to schedule your service and breathe easier starting tomorrow.